Everything to know about the 2023 Alfa Romeo Giulia. When it comes to joyful road manners and grin-inducing thrills, few sports sedans can compete with the 2023 Alfa Romeo Giulia. It also helps that it is dressed in a stunning wardrobe of Italian couture that outshines even the most beautiful cars in its entry luxury class. A turbocharged four-cylinder engine provides quick acceleration, and the vehicle's natural feeling handling is intended to make you feel at one with the road. The cabin isn't as opulent as those of its competitors, nor is the onboard technology as innovative, but there is still a long list of standard and optional features. The expected infotainment and driver assistance features are standard across the board, and any extraneous features do not raise the price above what is reasonable. The Giulia is an excellent choice for drivers. The more extreme Giulia Quadrifoglio raises the bar in terms of performance, but it also costs nearly twice as much as the standard model. What's new for 2023? This year, the Giulia lineup grows by 2 trim levels. The mid-level Lusso trim returns for 2023, with a more upscale interior than the T. Its leather seat upholstery is unique to Cannelloni. The dashboard and door uppers of the Lusso model are also wrapped in genuine leather, and it comes standard with a 14-speaker Harman Kardon stereo system. The Estrema model, which replaces the Veloce trim, now comes standard with adaptive suspension and a limited slip differential. Pricing and which one to buy. Starting at $45,875. We'd go with the new Lusso model because it provides the Giulia with premium interior surroundings that rival rivals like the BMW 3 Series and Mercedes-Benz C-Class. It not only has a 14-speaker stereo and fancier leather upholstery, but it also has dual chrome exhaust tips, satin-finished aluminum window trim, and gloss black painted brake calipers. To be honest, it's a vibe. Rear-wheel drive is standard, and we'd stick with it, but all-wheel drive is available for an extra $2,000. Engine, transmission, and performance. The base engine in the 2023 Alfa Romeo Giulia is one of the most powerful in its class. The 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine outputs 280 horsepower and 306 pound-feet of torque. It has an 8-speed automatic transmission. The standard configuration is rear-wheel drive, but all Giulia trims, with the exception of the Quadrifoglio, offer optional all-wheel drive. The Quadrifoglio is powered by a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 engine that produces 505 horsepower and 443 pound-feet of peak torque. It has an 8-speed automatic transmission and is only available in rear-wheel drive. According to Alfa's testing, the lower Giulia trims with a 2.0-liter engine will accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.1 seconds. That is sufficient for most sports sedan buyers. But Alfa Romeo claims that Quadrifoglio will complete the same run in 3.8 seconds. Its top track speed exceeds 190 miles per hour. Even the base Sprint trim is enjoyable to drive. All Giulias have the DNA Drive Mod selector, which has 3 settings: dynamic, natural, and advanced efficiency. While their functions aren't immediately obvious, each modifies the transmission, engine management, and steering feel to serve a specific purpose. The driving prowess increases as the trim levels and equipment become more sophisticated. The Estrema and the Quadrifoglio's adaptive suspension does a fantastic job of combining tight handling with excellent ride quality. The Quadrifoglio also has a torque vectoring rear differential and a carbon fiber active aero front splitter. Its red Alfa Romeo script is visible through the 19-inch 5-hole alloy wheels, anodized brake calipers. All Giulias are a joy to drive, but the Quadrifoglio raises the stakes to a visceral level. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The Giulia has competitive fuel efficiency numbers from the EPA, just shy of class-leading among turbocharged four-cylinder rivals. Rear-wheel drive model gets 24 mpg in the city and 33 mpg on the highway. All-wheel drive models get 23 mpg city and 31 mpg highway, which is typical for this class. Our rear-wheel drive T-test vehicle nearly met its EPA rating of 32 mpg in our real-world highway fuel economy test. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The interior of the Giulia is outfitted with soft-touch plastics, fine leather, and either textured metallic or genuine wood trim. The cabin is elegantly styled, with a wide, sweeping dashboard that doubles as a visor to keep the sun off the integrated infotainment screen. The seats, especially the optional sports seats, are comfortable and well-bolstered. Bring your sunglasses though. When driving directly into the sun, the Giulia's sun visors are laughably small and ineffective. With its rear seats folded, the Giulia managed to fit 5 of our carry-on cases inside its trunk, trailing segment leaders by 1 carry-on. Alfa Romeo introduces a new limited edition trim level called Extraneous for 2023. It is based on the loaded Veloce trim and includes a limited slip differential and the adaptive suspension system from the high-performance quadrifoglio model as standard equipment. The Extraneous also has carbon fiber interior and exterior accents, as well as 19-inch black wheels and brake calipers. Exterior dark Extraneous badging is also included. Infotainment and connectivity. Alfa Romeo's 8.8-inch touchscreen infotainment system is tucked between the dashtop and the central climate control vents in all Giulias. Standard features include 3 USB ports, an auxiliary input jack, in-dash navigation, and Bluetooth phone and audio connectivity. The infotainment interface is relatively simple and offers customization options, but we found the navigation to be occasionally slow to update during turn-by-turn directions. Several on-screen icons are also small and difficult to activate while driving. Users can interact with the system using an auxiliary rotary knob controller on the center console in addition to touchscreen commands. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and a 14-speaker Harman Kardon audio system is available as an option. Safety and driver assistance features. While Alfa has included several driver assistance features as standard, those looking for more advanced semi-autonomous technology will need to purchase an option package. That is all for today. We believe this information was valuable for you. We appreciate your trust in our research. Please leave a like for this video. Also, comment down and tell us what you want more from us. We will appreciate your feedback and suggestions. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon in the following video.